And supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the...
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Yeah! Wow!
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you doing that?
Woo!
Up it's real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields?
Look,
I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that. Where's the lieutenant?
Yeah.
Any eyes on Beck? Line up, Stafford's pod picture.
Wow!
I suppose
Look at up
so.
there, Mom.
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure.
Woo!
Bravo. R5, you too.
Did you guys like that?